Okay, I've had it said that you're not going to get enough fat if you eat rabbit if you're in a situation where that's all you have to eat for meat. Well, there are some vegetables that can compensate for that. The 21 vegetables with the highest fat content. Now, this is listings per cup. So soybeans have 11.52 grams, corn 2.23 grams, kidney beans 1.54 grams, and the rest of them fall off below 1 gram per cup of food. But the one that has the most um, fat in it that's healthy for you is avocados. So they're showing you some of the stuff here, but if you go down here, you'll see that where was that? Okay. Let's see. Oh, they're right here. The plant food with the highest amount of fat is avocados, with 21 grams of fat per fruit. And other than that outlier, most fruits and vegetables contain less than 3 grams of fat per cup. So they're going to be growing soybeans for a reason instead of corn. Why? Because corn's a high nitrogen feeder. They need the soybeans for hogs, cattle, and that's the main stuff they use for feed for fish as well, especially these fish farms. But you also have kidney beans and black beans and northern beans if you like those. But corn is probably going to be your next best bet if you don't have soybeans or an avocado. So these all have the good fat in them, and that'll compensate for if you had a SHTF situation where you only had rabbit for meats because that's all you raise. So I just wanted to make you aware of that. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.